Have you ever wondered what it takes to bring your imagination to life with animations? Today, we dive into the world of Cartoon Animator 4, a software that has revolutionized the animation industry with its cutting-edge features. Cartoon Animator 4, developed by Reallusion, is a 2D animation software designed for both professionals and beginners. It offers a range of powerful tools that simplify the animation process, making it easy for anyone to create dynamic 2D animations. One of the main features of Cartoon Animator 4 is its intuitive character animation tools. The software allows users to create custom characters from scratch or modify existing ones. It's as simple as uploading an image, and the software will transform it into a movable character using its facial and full-body puppeteering panel. The software also boasts a unique 2D visual perspective effect. This feature allows users to create a pseudo 3D effect in their animations, providing a more immersive viewing experience. It's a feature that sets Cartoon Animator 4 apart from other 2D animation software. Cartoon Animator 4 also excels in its lip-syncing capabilities. By using its automatic lip-syncing feature, users can easily match characters' lip movements with audio, creating a more believable dialogue within the animation. The software doesn't just stop at characters. It also provides a vast library of props, scenes and accessories. Whether it's a bustling city background or a simple coffee cup, Cartoon Animator 4 has it all. One of the most impressive features of Cartoon Animator 4 is its compatibility with motion capture devices. This feature allows users to capture their own movements and translate them directly onto their characters, providing a more personal touch to their animations. In addition to these features, Cartoon Animator 4 provides a user-friendly interface. The software is designed to be easy to navigate, ensuring that users can focus more on creating their animations and less on figuring out how to use the software. In summary, Cartoon Animator 4 is a comprehensive animation software that offers a range of features designed to simplify the animation process. With its intuitive character creation tools, unique 2D visual perspective effect, automatic lip-syncing feature, vast library of props and scenes, and compatibility with motion capture devices, Cartoon Animator 4 brings a whole new level of creativity and convenience to the world of animation. Whether you're a professional animator or a beginner just starting out, Cartoon Animator 4 has something to offer you. Its powerful tools and user-friendly interface make it a go-to software for anyone looking to explore the world of animation. So why not give Cartoon Animator 4 a try and start bringing your imagination to life?